Alright, this one says our third read. So we're going to go back again and we're going to look at it even closer. So this time we're going to look for causes and effects. So we're going to drag the red for causes and the blue for effects. And then when we're done dragging them, we're going to come back and we're going to type them in these boxes here. So let's go back up to slide 1. Okay, so I'm going to grab a red and a blue. Whoop, whoop, whoop. What am I doing? Blue. There we go. Alright, let's see. King was arrested during the boycott. Let's see if I can get this longer. There we go. So King was arrested during the boycott. That is very much not straight. Oof. Okay. No judging. Let's see if I can get it straighter. Oh. Okay, do not be like Miss H and worry about the straightness of the line. I think I fixed it, but I'm not even sure anymore. Okay, so he was arrested. What am I doing? Goodness. Alright, can you guys tell that it's really early in the morning and my brain hasn't had coffee yet? Don't tell anybody. I thought I had that straight. Oh, Miss H is going crazy. Okay, stop it, Miss H. Okay, focus. Anyways, so he was arrested during the boycott. And because he was arrested for his... Oh my gosh. After this video, Miss H is going to go make some coffee. I think that's what she needs. Try to keep it straight, try to keep it straight, and I think I did it. So because he got arrested during the boycott, he became known across the nation for his parts in the civil rights movement. So if he had not got arrested, he wouldn't have became known across the nation. So let's go back to slide 5. And the causes. King was arrested during the bus boycott. Is there only one Y? Boycott? No? How do we spell boycott? Go back up here. 2 T's. See? It's okay to misspell something, but go back and fix it. There we go. So King was arrested during the bus boycott. The effect? He was known nationwide. Known. Goodness. Gonna go get that coffee after this, I promise. Alright, so you have 1, 2, 3 more causes and effects to find. Now, as I've said before, do not just do everything on this first slide. If this first slide has your questions, your connections, your predictions, and all of your emojis and underlines and highlights all over it, that is great. But you're going to miss out on points if you forget about slide 2 and slide 3. There are really no excuses for not doing this. I'm giving you detailed explanations, I'm giving you examples, and you can go back through and listen to me read it to you a third time if you need it. And if that is not enough, if all these videos are not enough, I completely understand. Just email me and we'll figure it out together.